good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, guys. Come on in. Happy Wednesday. We're about to go ahead and go over on with it just a second here. Be able to come on in, love up on the stream, do all those things. It is great. Good morning, Shelley. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're doing well. Morning, Pat. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, good morning, Nana. Thank you so much for the daily heart me. I greatly appreciate it. In like 2 minutes, guys, I'm gonna break everything down. All right, here we go, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I hope you all are having an amazing, amazing Wednesday. Thank you so much for coming in and joining me on this good Wednesday morning. Hope everybody was able to have a great rest of their day. Yesterday was able to be productive or continue to be profitable in a sense. So we're gonna go ahead and go over everything, see what exactly we're looking at, how we can be profitable throughout the day, and what the market is looking at for we kind of tap into. If it's your first time here, my name is Jenny. I typically go by the financial doctor. I'm here just about every morning for the most part. Come in, have an open conversation. Trying to create a space where you can come in, where you're able to learn, and it allows you the opportunity for you to earn some money. So if it's your first time here, I'll tell you welcome in, grab a virtual seat, hang out, and see what you're able to learn. And how this information can maybe assist you with being profitable. We're about to go ahead and break down everything here that we're looking at this morning. Please be mindful everything that I am going over, everything that I'm about to go over. I have sent out in a watch list. So if you are interested in being part of the watch list, please feel free to tap in my bio. See a section that says watch list where I send out all that information that I go over way before I actually come on. If you're interested in having that in a, I'd say, timely manner. But let's go ahead and break down what we're looking at today, the meat and potatoes, what you guys are really here for. What's moving in the market today. If you guys are able to help me out, love up on the screen, share the line, and do those things. Those are absolutely greatly appreciated. All right. So here's what we are looking at. RXT. RXT. I think I'm hoping RXT has some good fire today. RXT as of right now is my top pick for today. Why RXT is very low price. RXT came out with news that it has deal with Plantier. And they're teaming up basically to help companies use their Plantier AI to use Plantier's AI platform. And that's supposed to help, make their business operations faster, aid the company's AI launching projects and, all different type of things, all within the AI world. So, teaming up with Plantier, I thought was pretty decent. That is why I looked at this thing, early during pre-market. I want to see what it's going to do to regular market. But our RXT, is what I'll be mainly focusing on based off of what I have for today. We have I'm sorry, AUUD. AUUD announced that they have like an official merger agreement to combine a business with Tharman, something like that. I'm probably saying it wrong. The initial deal started in back in August of 2025. It's an AI focused business. So that's the whole thing with them. They officially signed their merger. That is why AUD got that little pop here. I'm only gonna change the top screen because you already know those things. This one just came out. This one announced that they had an acquisition, if I'm not mistaken, an acquisition into. They're going to have a private placement for a $200 million acquisition of another company. I believe the company is Faith. Uh, it's a medication company. Yeah, with the D word, I can't say. But it's a $2 million acquisition. That is why they got their solid little pop here. Got a pop right under $36 here. So let's see what that one is going to do as the market open. I'm still focused on RTX even with this one here. But this does have pretty solid news. RENX does not have any news. RENX had a little pop this morning, not a little pop, but a decent pop this morning. During pre-market, it gave back just about everything that it had or everything that it popped during pre-market. Now we're down to with the 15 cents area. Nothing too crazy happening with this one. LRHC. LRHC. So they originally had a deal where they purchased 59% of the company. So they're saying now they're being purchased. They're getting the other 49% of the company. So now they own 100% of the company essentially with LRHC. So that's why they got their pop here. BNF had a pop this morning because of financials earnings. BNF had third quarter earnings, if I'm not mistaken, for this morning. That is why they had their pop this morning here. And then I'm looking at GXAI from yesterday, OLB from yesterday to see if it's going to do anything. OLB did pretty decent. It's still above the dollar mark, so I want to see what it's going to do once the market open. Also, SGN did pretty decent yesterday. Also, want to see if it's going to do anything once the market actually opens. If they'll pick up anything. A lot of times, if nothing else is happening, sometimes what do you see? You see that the stocks from the day before come out and kind of do their thing. So that is what I'll be looking at so far for today to see what is going to happen. I say my main focus right now is probably RTX for right now to see what it's going to do. Rhetoric, good morning. Thank you so much for coming in. Thanks so much for the daily heart, man. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you're doing well.